Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler and today I have an unboxing for you. So my unboxing knife for the day is the EMP Designs Thick Boy. This is amazing, and at the end of this video I'll post a link so you guys can go check that out. Alright, so here we have a giant mouse, and this is a giant mouse. Oh god. Ah! I was like, what the shit? I do not have a giant mouse on the way. Like, this is not a freaking giant mouse. Yeah, he sent me it came in a Biblio box. I'm like, this is not the freaking Biblio. All right. This is even better in my opinion. This is the We Knives F5.5. This is like one of those that's really highly touted at the moment, and I've been on the fence about trying it. I want to, I don't want to, I want to, I don't want to. Then my Thick Boy came in and it's like the same size, but then again, I'm kind of getting into this size of knife again, and you know, as you can tell, here's my Slim Mini. So yeah, this is the F5.5. Alright, so first and foremost, it's dead center. That's really cool. I do notice that it is not ambidextrous, but they have button head screws. That's a little frustrating that we can't just do it at this point. I mean, this is big enough space right here to where your pocket's going to go right in there. It's not going to be a big deal. And it looks like it's in the right spot. It does look fatter than hell. Like, I don't understand at this point why we can't recess those. And this metal on this clip is thicker than most. So you can see here the thickness. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. One's closer than the other, but the Thick Boy, like right here, is real thin. This is just real fat. So all in all, the profile of this is much more narrow than I expected. Ooh, that's nice. This is the all carbon fiber Fox F5.5. So let's check. There is no back and forth. There is no up and down. Feels really good, actually. This is a really nice feeling knife. And, you know, it's much more, it's much more slim than I would have thought as well. So it's like, this is going to carry really nice. So I kind of get why this thing is so popular. Yeah, I really like this, guys. This is definitely in my wheelhouse as far as knives that I like, the size of knives I like to carry. There's a lot of similarities between these two. No back and forth, no up and down. Action's pretty good, centering's perfect. Here's the scales, titanium backspacer, I'm assuming. And I didn't tell you guys, this is an Elmax blade, and I like how they do it right here. They show you. So all of that is great. I'll show you guys the knife one more time. I'll do a quick cut test just to see if it came sharp, even though it was well loved. Stupid slicey. Okay. And it's smooth. That's like a smooth kind of slicey. I'm loving it. Don't forget to go check out that Thick Boy unboxing if you haven't already. I'll post that at the end of here. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, consider doing so if you like the content. Other than that, you guys stay sharp, stay safe, and have a great freaking rest of your day. Thanks for watching, guys.